We're going to try this Japanese candy.
Kind of looks like a toilet.
Yeah. A toilet candy?
You're gonna eat the toilet candy? Does it taste like real toilets?
Let's open it up. I got the pink one! Blue, pink, and green.
Okay. First we gotta put this together.
Stickers. Look at all of them.
Cute.
It's so hard to open. Draw. I have to look at the box. Yep. So we have to do this.
Okay.
I'm looking at the directions.
Good job. That's a good way to do it, is to look at the directions.
Can you help me?
That's the lid.
I can't do it.
It's okay. Oh, because we also have to decorate.
Decorating!
Make your very unique toilet.
It was from China.
Alright, let's see it.
We decorated.
Oh my goodness. You can decorate it any way you want. I see what you mean. That's the Chinese one. There's other ones from other countries too, it looks like.
Yeah.
Like French and the American one. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, cool.
Well, when we look at the side, there's that.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what you do next. See, okay, first you put in the candy, then you close the lid, then you fill it with water, and then you get candy in the toilet.
All of them?
No, not all of them, just one at a time.
Okay. I'm going to do this one because it's pink.
Perfect.
There's a little tear mark.
Yep, that's where you tear it.
I can barely see it.
Alright, so,
Fill it.
yep. I have to say, put the whole thing in there. Alright. And then the water is only a tray's worth. So I have a little bit of water.
This is scary.
Just a little bit. Okay.
That can you put it?
Yes.
Yeah, you do it.
Okay, I'll
It's
try.
scary. I'm scared. And wait until when
And
it
then-
dissolves. Let's open it.
Alright, let's see what it looks like when you open the lid.
There's that.
Wait a minute, what's happening? Shake it up a little bit.
Let's see.
Still coming up?
No.
Doesn't look like it's moving. Maybe that's it. Alright, you got the straw? Drink that toilet water. Mmm, toilet water. That's right, all the foamy. Oh, slurp it all up, Lily.
It tastes good.
It tastes really good? The toilet water tastes good. Yo, slurp it up. Slurp up the toilet water. Mmm. What do you think? Oh, good to the very last drop. Alright. Dude, save some for...
No.
Okay. Alright. Toilet candy from Japan, what do you think?
But we have to.
You're already gonna do the other one, you have two more. You should save those for later.
No.
You're not gonna wait till later? You're just gonna eat them all right now? Oh my goodness. Alright, well what do you think about the toilet water? We're gonna turn that.
It's yummy!
Yummy what toilet water. Alright, let's see it.
Ah.
Do not put your tongue in the toilet water.